Danny, and I'm from Hacienda Heights, California. Actually, YouTube. I was looking through finding pizza ovens and came across you. I think one of your YouTube channels. Started looking at it, and that's pretty much how I found that. I think it was more the fact that you had everything pre-cut and the pre-plans, you had videos for it, stuff like that. Everybody else, the support wasn't there. To me, the biggest thing is support. As long as I have someone that I can, you know, relay or ask and get the information on how to do it, I think that's what kind of led me to you guys. Yep. Actually, the response time was pretty good, and I was impressed because you know, we are so far away. I think the only thing we have to get used to is the time difference. Yeah, I mean, I had to like do the math and like, wait a minute, this time you're available and I'm not. So, but other than that, I think I sent you a question, and within like the 12 hours, I believe the next day, you called me back and had an answer. It was easy. I think it was more just send the email request and the fact that you actually replied. That's, I think, what was believing that you did exist and stuff like that, because you did reply. Most places don't take forever or won't reply, and then, you know, you don't know if they're actually a true company or not. So I sent one of my drivers to pick it up. He said it was pretty simple. He just showed up, showed the paper, and he said, "Yep, got it right here." And they loaded up. I had the luxury of having a pallet jack and a lift gate and all that stuff. So for me, it was very easy, very simple. Yeah. I've enjoyed it. I think the instructions and the videos are very helpful, actually. I would say the stand that it sits on, not the actual oven itself. I think it's awesome. I like the fact that, like I said, it's pre-cut. The flute gallery and the other 4 sections are of high quality, I would say. I have the company that you need to go and buy the oven from. I'm really enjoying your product. I know you're coming up with some other stuff. I saw your grill that I really want, but I'm gonna have to save up for that one.
I like it.